Welcome back to Ma'am Jessa's class. In this video, we will discuss how to transform vertex form into standard form of quadratic function. The objective of this lesson, we need to transform quadratic function in vertex form into standard form. The standard form is y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, or it can be written as f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And the vertex form is y is equal to a quantity x minus h squared plus k. The vertex form y is equal to a quantity x minus h squared plus k. The h and the k is what we call the coordinates of the vertex. And we all know that the vertex of quadratic function is the turning point of the graph of quadratic function. To transform vertex form y is equal to a quantity x minus h squared plus k into standard form y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, we have the following steps. Expand the square of binomial. Use PEMDAS if necessary. And combine similar terms or simplify. Our first example is f of x is equal to quantity x minus 3 squared plus 2. We have to transform this function into standard form of quadratic function, which is f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So, ang sabi sa step, we have to expand the square of binomial. So, ang square of binomial natin dito ay yung square of binomial x minus 3. So, paano ba mag-expand ng square of binomial? We have to square the first term and then multiply the first and second term times 2 and then square the second term. So, let's do. Copy natin si f of x and then expand na natin si square of binomial. So, square the first term which is x. So, x squared. Then, multiply the first and second term. So, negative 3 times x, we will have negative 3x. And then, times 2. So, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 6x. And then, square the second term which is negative 3. So, negative 3 squared is positive 9. Then, copy natin si 2. Then, we have to combine similar terms, and in this function, the similar terms is 9 plus 2. So, i-add lang natin yon. So, we will have f of x is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 11. So, therefore, the standard form of quadratic function f of x is equal to quantity x minus 3 squared plus 2 is f of x is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 11. So, ito yung vertex form. Ito naman yung standard form. Example number 2. Y is equal to 2 multiplied by quantity x minus 2 squared minus 5. So, we have to rewrite this into standard form of quadratic function, which is y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Sabi doon, we have to expand the square of binomial. So, ang square of binomial natin dito ay yung quantity x minus 2 squared. So, copy muna natin si y is equal to 2. Si 2, ito yun, kinopya natin. So, yan yung value ng ating a. And then, expand na natin to. So, we have to square the first term, which is x. So, we will have x squared. And then, multiply the first and second term. So, x times negative 2. So, negative 2x. And then, multiply natin yun sa 2. So, we will have negative 4x. And then, square the second term, which is negative 2. So, we will have 4. Then, copy natin si negative 5 or minus 5. Then we have to distribute 2 kay x squared minus 4x plus 4. So, unahin natin si 2 times x squared. So, we will have 2x squared. And then 2 times negative 4x, we will have negative 8x. And then 2 times 4 is 8. And then copy ulit natin si minus 5 or negative 5. And then we have to combine 8 and negative 5. So, 8 minus 5. So, therefore, we will have y is equal to 2x squared minus 8x plus 3. Bakit naging 3? Kasi 8 minus 5. So, therefore, the standard form of y is equal to 2 quantity x minus 2 squared minus 5 is y is equal to 2x squared minus 8x plus 3. Example number 3. So, y is equal to negative 6 multiplied by quantity x plus 1 squared minus 7. So, we have to rewrite this function into standard form y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. At ang sabi doon, we have to expand the square of binomial. So, ang square of binomial natin dito ay quantity x plus 1 squared. So, copy natin si y is equal to negative 6. So, si negative 6 galing dito. And si negative 6 ay ang value ng a. Then, we have to expand the square binomial. So, square the first term, which is x. So, x squared. Multiply the first and second term. So, x times 1 is 1x. Then, times 2. So, we will have 2x. Then, square the last term or the second term. So, 1 squared is 1. And then, copy natin si negative 7. Then, we have to distribute negative 6 sa x squared plus 2x plus 1. So, negative 6 times x squared. So, we will have negative 6x squared. Then, negative 6 times 2x is negative 12x. Then, negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. And then, copy natin ulit si minus 7. Then, we have to combine negative 6 and negative 7. So, therefore, negative 6 minus 7, we will have y is equal to negative 6x squared minus 12x minus 13. Bakit naging minus 13? Negative 6 minus 7. Galing yun. So, therefore, the standard form of y is equal to negative 6 quantity x plus 1 squared minus 7 is y is equal to negative 6x squared minus 12x minus 13. Example number 4. F of x is equal to negative multiplied by quantity x plus 7 squared minus 10. So, since ito ay negative, so therefore, ito ay may imaginary 1. So, therefore, ito ay, ang value ng a natin ay imaginary negative 1. So, we have to rewrite this function into standard form ulit since naka-vertex form siya. So, expand natin si square binomial x plus 7. So, copy natin si f of x is equal to negative. So, yan ang value ng a natin. Ang value ng a natin dito ay negative 1. So, expand natin si square binomial x plus 7. So, square the first term which is x. So, we will have x squared. Then, multiply the first and second term. So, x times 7 is 7x. Then, multiplied by 2. So, therefore, magkakaroon tayo ng 14x or plus 14x. Then, square the second term which is 7. So, 7 squared or 7 times 7 is 49. And then, copy natin si negative 10. Then, we have to distribute the imaginary negative 1 sa x squared plus 14x plus 49. So, we will have negative 1 times x squared is negative x squared. Then, negative 1 times 14x is negative 14x. Then, negative 1 times 49 is negative 49. Then, copy natin si negative 10. Then, combine natin si negative 49 and negative 10. So, negative 49 minus 10. So, therefore, we will have f of x is equal to negative x squared minus 14x minus 59. So, saan galing si negative 59 or minus 59? Sa negative 49 minus 10. So, the standard form of quadratic function negative quantity x plus 7 squared minus 10 is f of x is equal to negative x squared minus 14x minus 59. So, that's all, student. I hope may naintindihan kayo at natutunan sa aking video lesson.